So it's the interface of a GA4 account, but we will work from Google Universal Analytics account. Like you can see my account name, the Azaya Paradise. If you press the drop down section, you can see the property and apps. So now you can see there are two properties. Azaya Paradise website GA4 and Azaya Paradise website, that means the universal one. So now I have to select this one, and then I will select these views, and you can see that it's replaced by the Google Analytics Universal account. So the interface is different between Universal and Google Analytics 4. So now I will show you how can you create a Google Analytics code, and how can you set up the Google Analytics code on your website so that you can track your website visitor and their action also on your website, and they can and you can measure them, and you can retarget them, and you can take a decision uh, through a report from the Google Analytics you will get, right? So now if I press the admin section, you can see there is three things. One is account, one is property, and one is view. So under one account we can create more property, and you can create more account also. So this is my account, and this is my property, and this is my views. So now I will set up the Google Analytics on my website. It's a WordPress e-commerce website. So now if I press the tracking info, and then if I go the tracking code section, I will get a code. You can see the code. So if I just copy the code, and now you can see that it's a WordPress dashboard, and this is my website, and it's under maintenance at this moment. You can see. So we can set up the Google Analytics in two way. We just copy the code and paste it on the website header section, or we can use a plugin, insert header footer plugin, and just paste the code on the plugin, and it will set up. So now if I just copy the URL and then go appearance, and then I have to go the theme editor section. Then I have to go the header.php section. You can see we have to go the header.php section, and then we have to put this code under the header section. So you can see this is the header code, right? So we have to input this code under this header section. So we have to paste the code under this opening head tag, and before this closing head tag. It's called opening tag, and it's called closing tag. So we have to paste this code between this opening code and close code. So I just paste the code on the head code, right? So just do update file, and you can see it's saved. So how can we check that it's working or not? That means how can we check that the Google Analytics code I just put in my website, it's working or not? So for that, if you want to check your Google Analytics is working or not, you have to use a extension. It's called tool also. So you have to go the Google extension website, then open the website and press tag manager. Just write the tag manager, and you can see it's a it's a extension that we have to install. So I cannot install the tag manager on my incognito browser, but I already have this extension on my normal browser, and this is my Google Tag Assistant extension that I already installed on my website. So how can we check that it's working or not? Copy your website URL and paste it. Open the website. My website taking time. Okay. Then open the extension and press the enable button, and just open and just refresh the page again. And you can see that the Google Analytics is working on our website. You can see, and it's you can see that this is the Google Analytics, and we have to check the code also that it's working or not. 441, the last three digit is no. This is not our Google Analytics. So we have to refresh this page again. Like if we refresh the page, let's see, it may be causes for the cache issue of WordPress website. Sometimes it happens for the cache issue. Yeah, this is not still working. Okay, okay. Let's see in normal browser, right? Just enable, open the website again, refresh the page again. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, it's not working still. Then I think we have to do another thing, is that plugin, we have to turn off on one plugin because the website is under maintenance. So let's turn off the under maintenance option. So it's a plugin. Okay, let's deactivate the plugin and let's check again the Google Analytics is working or not. Okay, we just turn off the plugin and the website will be now live. And let's see the Google Analytics is working or not. The 531, and let's see the 531 and the 531. You can see that means now our Google Analytics is working. You can see. So I think you all understand that how can you set up Google Analytics on a WordPress website and how it works. And I think you understand also the interface of Google Analytics dashboard. So if you open the Google Analytics Universal, then you will see that type of interface. You can create more account, you can create more property, and you can create 25 views approximately, I think. So I think you all know all the part, but still, if you think you have some question or query, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.